2018 Infiniti Q50 review. You won't need to buy European to obtain sport and luxury. The Q50 has consequently both strong performance, an abundance of premium features as well as a competitive price supply. The 2018 Infiniti Q50, a well-earned seat for the table with refined and accomplished luxury sports sedans. The Q50's home design continues to age gracefully, but age lets you do. It's the same basic design used since 2014, and it also feels a little bit behind the harder modern, elegant environments in Audi and Mercedes rivals. But don't allow that to end your consideration. The Q50 continues to be a joy they are driving. If you're looking for power, consider among the Q50's turbocharged V6 engines. They deliver a jolt of Ponyco-esque thrill anytime you dig to the pedal, particularly the Red Sport top trim. Infiniti also packs in a good amount of standard features for you personally money. Overall, the 2018 Infiniti Q50 isn't quite as polished as some rival sedans. Nonetheless, it stands being a desirable and trendy alternative towards the status quo. What's new? For 2018, Infiniti has simplified the Q50's trim level names and shuffled some features and options. The back and front ends also receive subtle exterior styling and interior trim changes. The 2018 Infiniti Q50 using the 3.0 tons engine delivers strong performance and has a lot of standard features in a reasonable price. Choosing relating to the Lux or Sport trim depends upon your driving style and appetite for nicer features, although a lot of sport features are offered as options. If nothing else, the Lux offers you a little more flexibility with options which are not exorbitantly priced, but can be bought bundled in large packages. Trim levels and features. The Infiniti Q50 luxury sports sedan comes in 5 main trim levels: 2.0 tons, 3.0 tons, Red Sport 400 and Q50 hybrid trim levels. Infiniti now offers 3 subtrims: Lux, Pure and Sport. The Q50 2.0 tons begins with a turbocharged 2.0-litre 4-cylinder engine, 208 horsepower, 258 pound-feet of torque paired to your 7-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. All-wheel drive is optional. From there, the 2.0 tons Pure have 17-inch alloy wheels, LED headlights and fog lights, automatic wipers, selectable drive modes, keyless entry and ignition, power-adjustable front seats, simulated leather upholstery, automatic dual-zone climate control, Bluetooth, a rear-view camera, dual touchscreen displays 8-inch upper and 7-inch lower, as well as a 6-speaker CD player with 2 USB ports and satellite radio. The 2.0 tons Lux variant adds 18-inch wheels, a sunroof and maplewood interior accents. Moving around, the 3.0 tons brings a turbocharged 3.0-litre V6 300 horsepower, 295 lb-ft of torque. All-wheel drive is again optional. The 3.0 tons Lux is provided similarly to both their 0 tons Lux trim, while the 3.0 tons Sport adds 19-inch wheels, performance tires, leather upholstery and further front seat adjustments. The Red Sport 400 accumulates where these 0 tons leaves off and adds an even more powerful V6 400 horsepower, 350 lb-ft of torque, unique 19-inch wheels, slightly wider inside rear, adjustable suspension settings, transmission paddle shifters, quilted leather upholstery, dark chrome and red stitching interior accents, heated front seats, a heated controls, remote engine start, a 6040 split folding rear seat plus a navigation system. The Red Sport 400 also provides a host of driver aids, including a top-down parking camera system, back and front parking sensors, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, forward collision warning and automatic emergency braking. The Q50 Hybrid Luxe also comes in one trim level similarly equipped to these. 0 tons Luxe, nevertheless it also borrows on the Sport and Sport 400 features. Some extras, including adaptive cruise control as well as a premium Bose speakers, are standard within the hybrid. Many with the extra features found for the Sport can be obtained as options for the lower trims. Depending around the trim level, other key options are flexible suspension, additional driver aids as well as a premium speakers. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically is available in multiple versions which can be fundamentally similar. The S in this particular review use our first drive on the 2018 Infiniti Q50 Sport 400 sedan turbo 3.0 litres V6, 7-speed automatic, RWD. Driving. The Q50 is really a highly competent luxury sedan that's enjoyable drive and automobile. It drives being a smaller, sportier car. The Q50 Sport trim demonstrates the truth is capability as a result of additional grip, whilst the Sport 400 are few things short of a refined road hooligan. Acceleration. The turbocharged 4-cylinder engine's 208 horsepower output is subpar for your class, but real-world acceleration is unquestionably adequate. Both with the Q50's turbocharged V6 engines offer strong and satisfying power. Braking. The brakes have a very good feel and are also easy to modulate, delivering consistent distances on the track. Panic stopping distances are about average for some tire-equipped cars in this particular class. Steering. The steering feels quick and precise and builds effort well, though it's somewhat light for your tastes. The adaptive steering option on some Q50s is less impressive. Handling. The Q50 3.0-ton Sport is often a capable sport sedan. It inspires confidence with good levels of grip and composure. The Sport 400 amplifies these qualities considerably. Drivability. The Q50 is usually a very pleasant sedan drive-in automobile. It exhibits pleasantness in typical driving as well as a natural sporting demeanor. Comfort. The Q50 is comfortable and customarily quiet, though road noise is noticeable. The 2018 Sport 400 is often a superbly comfortable touring car with excellent seats. Interior. The Q50's cabin works by using high-quality materials and sturdy construction, even so the design hasn't changed much in nearly several years. Conventional controls are within easy reach, nevertheless the touchscreen has some drawbacks. Still, it remains a good and spacious spot for driver or passenger. Ease of usage. Most systems are controlled using the split touch screens, which often can sometimes be confusing. Input reactions are quick and menus are intuitive, however the displays will often be obscured by glare and fingerprints, especially with all the newer protective glass. Getting and jetting out. The Q50's slow steep in height and wide seats facilitate easy entry and exit. As an added bonus, the doors swing open with surprising ease. Roominess. The airy cabin and also the contoured dashboard provide an abundance of room in the beginning. 6-footers can occupy a corner seat with headroom to spare. Visibility. The forward view is expansive over the windshield, nevertheless the higher beltline and relatively high rear deck lid lessen the view over your shoulder and the rear window. The optional surround view monitor eliminates any guesswork in tight spaces. Quality. Even though early showing its age, the Q50 maintains high standards for materials and craftsmanship. Compared to newer luxury sports sedans, the Infiniti looks about average to the class. Utility. The Q50's cargo capacity is decent for your class, but interior storage for use on your items is lacking by contemporary standards. The trunk space is adequate, however the wide opening creates easier loading. Technology. It requires a little time for getting used on the dual touch screens, but the majority users will quickly realize the menu's intuitive. Reactions to inputs are quick, and updates towards the Infiniti InTouch system have kept it relevant.